Welcome to today's lesson. I'll be discussing local area network and specifically the factors that organizations need to consider before setting up a robust local area network. A local area network is made up of devices which have been connected or linked together in such a way that there is communication. And number two, there is sharing of the resources. There is sharing of the resources. Some of the resources that can be shared in a local area network include the printers, the files, the software or application programs. If you have an ERP or management information system, it can also be shared in a network. We also share storage devices. We share the processors and so many other devices which can be shared in a network. Factors that you need to consider before setting up a robust local area network. And number one, I'll talk about the application or the use of the network. This local area network that you want to design, is it for data only? Or it's going to include voice? Will it be used just within the local area network or even at the internet level? Those are things that you'll have to consider. Number two, you will look at the geographical coverage. This local area network, will it be used within an office or a number of offices or a number of buildings? Will it be used in a number of branches? Maybe you have a number of offices in a number of other places. That will inform the design and the budget of the entire network. So you'll have to consider. If it's just within an office, you can just set a wireless network. But if it is a number of offices, a number of buildings, even covering a number of branches, then you can go for a local area network with an expansion of wireless connectivity. Number three, you'll also consider the budget. How much money has been set aside for setting up a local area network? This will be informed by the design of the network. The design of the network, which again will give you the details of the devices that you'll require for that particular network. And therefore, another important factor that you'll consider is the design. What kind of the design are you going for as an organization? We have a number of designs based on the topologies. For example, are you going for wired or wireless? That's still the design. Are you going for star topology or ring topology? Those are some of the things that will inform you on the design of the local area network. Closely related is the devices that you'll require. How many routers will you require for the network? And this will be informed by the design. The switches, the type of cables, etc. And closely related to this factor is the cabling. What type of cabling are you going for? Is it fiber between buildings or between floors or between branches and the main office? Are you going to use UTP? And if you are going to use UTP, what category? Is it category 5, E, or 6, or 7, or even 8? It will depend on the kind of the bandwidth that you will require for that particular network. Number 7 is the bandwidth. How much bandwidth do you require for your network? And this will be informed by the number of users that you have and the number of nodes that you're going to connect in that particular network. And therefore, you'll have to decide on the internet service provider that will provide you with the internet service. Number 8, you'll consider the servers that you'll require for your network. Last time we discussed about the critical or main servers in a network. And therefore, in this factor, you decide, will you require the proxy server? Will you require the DHCP server? Will you require the web server or email server? Will you require the DNS? Will you require the application server? And so forth. And lastly, you will also consider the issue of the intranet. Are you going to set up an intranet for your local area network so that your users can be able to be authenticated to access some resources which other users may not access? So these are some of the factors that you consider while setting up a local area network. Thank you for watching.